All this week you could say this. It's raining, it's pouring, and your kids are yelling, it's boring.
Instead of sitting in front of their various electronics all day long, how about you bust out some games and activities for an afternoon of good old-fashioned fun? Lifestyle expert Jamie Borgman is here with some of her top picks to help you out to have a good time on those rainy, dreary days.
That's right.
And welcome to the show.
Hi, good to see you.
You're on lots of good stuff.
Lots of good stuff. Kansas City's got game, right?
Oh, yeah.
Our first is the Max Trax Tracer Racer. I saw Joel playing with this
Yes,
a little
I did play with it earlier.
It's a ton of fun. I had to force my kids to go to bed last night because they were so into this. It's a glow-in-the-dark track.
That's great.
And when the car goes over the track, it leaves this cool glow. So it's a ton of fun. Yeah.
Okay, so you just turn the lights off and
Turn
you
the
just
lights
have
off.
hours of fun.
Yeah, my 10-year-old son built the track. It's perfect.
What age would that one be for?
I would say like 6 to 12.
6
would
to
be
56.
Yeah, maybe so. Okay, this is super fun. These are some really good old throwback products. And I love this, but I hate it.
We've already agreed that's not super fun,
really
isn't
have.
it?
I've
Yeah,
never seen I got the Rubiks Cube. I've never seen this one.
Yes, it is. It's a little spin-off. It's a little different. And, you know, they're a lot easier to twist. It's kind of an improvement upon the Rubik's Cube. And as Joel and I were discussing, you can't peel the stickers off on these.
Yeah, what makes that an improvement?
No cheating.
Yeah.
No, right.
No
Good
cheating.
point. Good
Then
point.
you just get very frustrated.
You
Okay.
do. I love to hate it. Yes, exactly.
On a windy day when
And
you
on
get
a windy
outdoors.
day, some really sweet old school kites. Like here's a hot dog kite. I mean, how cute is that? Take that to Shawnee Mission Park and, you know, have a great time out there. Yes.
And people love board games. A lot of families have like game nights and they pull out the board games. These are a couple that I haven't seen for a long time.
Yeah. This is called the sleepover game. My 9-year-old daughter loves this game. So you just simply like spin the wheel. Let's say it lands on Act It. You pull a card and
Okay, let's pull this card. Here we go.
Yes.
Here you go, Joel. Describe how you make spaghetti using your best Italian accent. Go.
Well, I just get in trouble with Jasper if I try to do that.
Okay.
Let's make a sound. That's not good.
That's good. That's very good. My 9-year-old
That's fun. And kids
Joel
would love
Nichols loves it.
Yeah,
Yes,
right.
absolutely. The next one is called Can You Name 5? So you just roll a dice, you have teams, and then whatever color you land on, that's the category you get. So you have 30 seconds to name 5 different things in the category. So, you know, let's say, for example.
So we got sports team that no longer exists.
Yeah, so you have 30 seconds to name 5 sports teams that no longer exist.
That would be kind of a hard one to do, though.
Especially for kids. This is like tough for adults.
It's a good family
Name 5
game,
rivers.
right?
You could do that. Kids could do that too.
Beverly Hillbillies characters you could do.
Hotel
that's
chains.
true.
Yep.
This is good.
Yep. Hotel.
Yeah, I like that.
So fun games. Okay, so this is called Kidstir. This is either a subscription-based item or you can do a one-time only gift. So kids will get this cute little box in the mail and it has recipes like this is the taco truck fun. So lots of different recipes that super easy for kids to make. Helps with, yes, and cute little tools that come with it. Helps with math for kids that love to be in the kitchen. It's a fun gift. So I do love that.
What's all this stuff?
Sorry, Joel, but this is not real.
Come on.
You can't really eat that.
I've got a son who's in his late 20s. He would still love playing with this food. Like
Yes, absolutely. This is a sweet gift. I love this. It's called Two Brothers and Olivia Petite Pretend Food. That's a mouthful in itself, right?
And can you chew on this? Is this like
it's
for smaller
teething
kids?
toys,
Oh, the teething
or
toys.
if kids like to play in the kitchen.
Look at them got the little ridges, which kids love that. It makes their gums feel better when they're teething.
Yes, absolutely. And there's no toxins in it, so it's
you
completely
feel good about it.
Yeah,
You know,
completely
speaking
safe.
of being in the kitchen, another thing that like my mom used to do for her grandchildren, just open pots and pans and stuff.
Absolutely.
Play with pots and pans.
Absolutely.
All
yes.
kinds of good
Lots
ideas.
of options on these rainy days.
You
Well,
bet.
thank you so much, Jamie. We appreciate you stopping by, and we will have a link to all this information where you can find these fun games so you will not be bored ever again.
Never again.
And not use technology to help with that boredom.
Unplug. Exactly.
Unplug. Great device. Thanks
And we
so
got
much.
through without knocking anything else off the table.
Win.
Hot
Yes, we did it.